Please stand for a moment of silent meditation and remain standing as we honor our nation in reciting the Pledge of Allegiance. And now, join me for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America, and to the republic for which it stands, one nation under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Please remain standing for the Foley High School alma mater.
Foley schools are alma mater, to thy praise we'll sing. For ideals so lofty o'er us, to thee we will bring. Love, devotion, truth, and honor, all to which we'll cling. Foley schools are alma mater, to thy praise we'll sing.
Good morning, Foley High School. I'm Carlos Garnares.
And I'm Brooklyn Jackson.
And you're watching
The Lion Pride News. Hey guys, I'm Brooklyn Jackson.
And I'm Jack McCoy, and here today's birthdays. Happy birthday to Shane McCart,
Dee Middleton,
and Cooper Never. Have a great day.
and a happy birthday. Now on to Did You Know?
Why does this place look like this? I could have sworn I had a tan. Yeah, you do look a little bit whiter today. Hold on, we gotta fix this. That's much better. I can see it now. Today's national holiday is National Color Day. Did you know that octopuses have 3 hearts? What? And on what's happening.
Do you know what's happening today?
No.
You want to find out?
No.
Well, we're going to anyway.
Okay.
There's going to be an FBLA meeting October 28th at 7:15 in the morning.
The Foley High School tennis team will be holding their last fundraiser at Chick-fil-A the 27th from 4 to 6.
Well, you told me what was happening.
Yep.
That's all.
For what's happening.
Have a great day.
Good morning, Lion fans. My name is Jackson.
I'm Rich. I'm Shug.
And this is
The Locker Room Report. Today we go to Mobile to take on Theodore. Kickoff's at 7.
the theme is Nike.
Make sure you purchase your tickets on GoFan.
And
that's all for your Locker Room Report.
Have a great day, Foley High School.
Go Lions!
Good morning, Foley High School. I'm Ian.
And I'm Mo.
And today for lunch we're having pizza, onion potatoes, fruit and juice.
And don't forget your grab and go. Have a great day. Go Lions.
And that's a wrap, Foley High School.
And don't forget, today's date is Friday, October the 22nd.
Also, remember to wear your Nike gear to the away game tonight in Theodore.
Have a great day, Foley High School. And
Go Lions!
I put a spell on you.